do you want to learn to read Korean fluently in just 40 minutes? You've seen K-pop, you've cried over K-dramas, and now it's time to unlock the actual language from the very first letter. Korean isn't hard, it's just different. So let's break the wall between you and the world of Korean, starting right now. Welcome to Learn Korean Easily, Episode 1. I'm your host, and today we're starting where every Korean student should. Hangul, the Korean alphabet. No memorization marathons, no boring charts. Just a clear, fun journey where you'll laugh, learn, and be able to read real Korean names, lyrics, signs, and words by the end. This is the start of a language transformation. So grab a pen, a snack, and let's start learning Korean, the easy way. What is Hangul? Hangul is the Korean writing system. It was created in the 1400s by King Sejong the Great, who looked around and said, "Why is reading only for scholars? Let's make something everyone can learn, even farmers and kids." And so Hangul was born. It's logical, efficient, and even praised by linguists worldwide. Imagine if the alphabet had a user manual. Hangul does. It was literally designed to be learned fast. Now here's the fun part. Hangul has just 24 basic letters. That's right, only 14 consonants and 10 vowels. Compare that to Japanese with thousands of kanji or Chinese with tens of thousands of characters, and you'll see how smart this system is. The structure of Hangul. Hangul is built like blocks. Each Korean syllable is made by combining 2 to 4 letters. A consonant plus a vowel, maybe another consonant. It's like building Lego. For example, the word an is made from plus sa, nin. Looks hard? Let's break that down. Gun is silent at the beginning. Ah sounds like ah. Nun sounds like n. Put them together. An equals n. You just read your first Korean word. You're already a reader. Now let's dive into consonants. Repeat after me. I'll say the letter, the sound, and give you a silly trick to remember it. Ah sounds like GK. Looks like a gun. Say ga. Repeat. Ga. Ga. Sounds like n. Looks like a nose. Say n, like when something smells weird. Repeat. Din, nin. T sounds like dt. Looks like a door. Say da. Repeat. To-da. Did sounds like R or L. It rolls like a little tongue wag. Say rrr and it floats between them. It sounds like M. Looks like a mouth. Say like you just ate something delicious. Repeat. Nin. Bu sounds like B. Looks like a box or bucket. Say ba, like baby. Repeat. Ba. Sounds like S sharp like a sword. Say s like a snake. Repeat. S, s. Special one. Silent at the beginning sounds like ing at the end. Repeat. Silence or ing. Do sounds like J. Think of jumping jelly. Say ja. Cheat. Sha sounds like CH. It's dude with a hat. So it's cha. Repeat. Cha. Sounds like K, as in Korean, their version of allel. Say ku. Repeat. Sounds like T. Tall hat to T. Say ta. Repeat. Ta. Ta. Sounds like P popping bubbles. Say pa. Repeat. Pa. Pa. Sounds like H. It's a house with a chimney. Say huh. Repeat. Huh. Let's do a quick consonant quiz. What letter is silent? Answer. What sounds like M? Answer. Yun. What's the one that rolls like RL? Answer. Did. Awesome. Let's move to vowels. The 10 basic vowels. Here comes the fun part. Vowels. These are made with vertical and horizontal lines. Simple geometry. Sounds like ah. Vertical line with short line to the right. Repeat. Ah. Ah sounds like ya. Same as ah but with 2 lines. Repeat. Ya. Ah sounds like vertical line with line on the left. Repeat. Ah. Ah sounds like ya. 2 lines like ya. Repeat. Ya. So o sounds like o, horizontal line on top. Repeat. Ah sounds like yo. 2 short lines equals yo. Repeat. Za, yo. Sounds like oo, horizontal on bottom. Repeat. Oo sounds like you, double lining you. Repeat. You sounds like oo, just a straight horizontal line. Say o, like confused. Repeat. Sounds like E, 1 vertical line. Say E. Repeat. E. Which one is ya? Answer ad. Which one is yo? Answer odd. Which one is E? Answer. Which one is O? Great. Let's build words. Now that you know consonants and vowels, let's build real Korean. We'll combine letters into blocks. Let's try. Na plus a, lo din plus o, N, me. Ka equals bek equals ah. Try reading sa equals sit sa. Ga equals ga, makma, ha equals ha. You're actually reading Korean. 30 bonus real Korean words. Let's try reading full words now. 사랑, shu, la, sarang, love. 안녕, in, hello. Akbak equals school. Oppa, son, brother. Cool, right? Let's try K-pop idol names. Jimin, Jungkook. Taeyong, Lisa. Jennie, Suji, Suzy. Hani, Eunwoo. You now have the power to read them in too. Let's test what you learned. Let's test what you's allowed. 1, na, me, su. 4, yo 5, 6, 7, ha, 10, sarang. Pause and try. Answers. Me, su, yo, no, ba, sa, 10. Sarang, you did it! Outro and next step, Caesar. Congratulations! You now know the Korean alphabet. You can read signs, names, and lyrics. That's a huge step. In episode 2, we'll learn Korean greetings, K-drama slang, and survival phrases. Don't miss it. Like, subscribe, and comment your favorite Korean words so far. Until next time, 안녕히 계세요. Goodbye.